Okay, good afternoon, student. So now start Zoom class, and I hope you are well and good at your home. Class 11, subject physical education, and topic is Paralympic and Deaf Olympics. Unit is physical education and sports for children with special needs. Yes, the Paralympics are periodic series of international multi-sports events involving athletes with a range of disabilities. It means those who are personally disabled, those are these are participated in this tournament. Okay. Next is a series of international contests for athletes with disabilities that are associated with and held following the Summer and Winter Olympics Games, called also Paralympic Games. These events are held for the person with range of disabilities, including must impaired impaired range of movement, limbs deficiency, leg length differences, short stature, hypertonia vision impairment. It means those who are physical or mental disabled. They participated this tournament, which are called as Paralympics. Okay, this is similar to Olympics games. Paralympic games are similar to Olympic games for disabled sports persons. In 1960, first time is was organized in Rome. Paralympic is first time organized in 1960 in Rome. Okay, Paralympic games are held at an interval of every 4 years following the Olympic Games by the International Paralympic Committee. The first Paralympic Games were held in Rome in 1960. Then logo of Paralympic Games. The Paralympic Games logo recognized by the International Paralympic Committee. The current Paralympic logo, three agitos, consist of three elements in red, blue, and green. The three colors that are most widely represented in national flags around the world. The three agitos from the Latin meaning I move in circling a central point symbolize motion, emphasize the role of the Paralympic movement in bringing athletes together from all corners of the world to complete. The logo also reflects the Paralympic motto, Spirit in Motion, representing the strong will of every Paralympian. Next is opening ceremony. How can opening the in Paralympic Games? The opening ceremony begins with the hosting of the host country flag and reduction of the its national anthem. After the national anthem, the athletes come for march past into the stadium, grouped according to their nations. All the nations enter the enter the stadium alphabetically according to the host country chosen language. However, the host country's athletes enter into the stadium in the last. After that, host nation present its cultural, in the program music, dance, and singing, etc. Formal opening of the games is announced at last. Paralympic torch is brought into the stadium and passes on until it reaches the final torch barrier. How finally light the Paralympic flame. It means Paralympic games are started like Olympic games. Okay. Next is closing ceremony. After the conclusion of all the sports events, the choosing ceremony begin. Sorry, closing ceremony begins. Flag bearers from each participating country and enter the stadium, followed by the athletes who enter together without any national dis- distractions. The Paralympic flag is taken down. The games are officially closed and the Paralympic flame is flag. The Paralympic flag consists three agitos colored red, blue and green. The three colors that are most widely represented in national flag around the world. Next, International Paralympic Committee. It is a global governing body of the Paralympic movement. It is organized the Summer and Winter Paralympic Games. It also serves as the international federation for nine sports, for which it coordinates the World Championship and other competitions. It was established on 22nd September 1989. The headquarters of International Paralympic is situated in Bonn, Germany. The International Paralympic is responsible for organizing Summer and Winter Olympic Games. At present, it comprises 176 national Paralympic committees. It means International Paralympic Committee is made by 176 national Paralympic committees. National Paralympic committees. Okay. Next, next is vision of International Paralympic Committee. Its vision is to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire the excite the world. Next category of disabilities. How many categories in participating of Paralympic games like that? The International Paralympic Committee has established 10 disabilities categories including physical, visual, and intellectual impairment. Athletes with on of these disabilities can participate in the Paralympic Games, though not every sports can allow for every disabilities categories. It means some specific disabilities represented some specific games. Okay. Next is Deaf Olympics. Deaf Olympics are international Olympic committees scanned event at which deaf athletes compete and at an elite levels, unlike the athletes in other IOC International Olympic Committee scanned events, the Olympics, the Paralympics, and the Special Olympics. The Deaf Olympics cannot be guided by sounds. Like example, the starter guns, balloon, commands of referees, whistle. The games have been organized by the uh, Deaf Olympics. The Deaf Olympics are held every 4 years and are the longest running multi sports event, including the Olympics themselves. The first games held in Paris 1924 were also the first every international supporting events or for athletes with a disabilities. The event has been held every 4 years since apart from a break of World War II. And the additional event, the Deaf Olympic Winter Games, was added 1949. The games began as a small gathering in 148 athletes from nine European nations competing the International Silent Games in Paris, France in 1924. Now they have grown into the global movement. Next is logo of Deaf Olympic. The logo designed by 2003 by graphic design artist Rolf Fernandez is a positive and powerful symbol of the international deaf sports community. It ties together strong elements, sign language, deaf and international culture, unity and community. This is the last point of this topic, Deaf Olympic. Okay. Today we are discussing Paralympic International. First is Paralympic, and another one is International Olympic Committee, and last is Deaf Olympic Committee. And there are flags and symbols and logos also. Okay, and how many categories in the Deaf Olympic and Paralympic games? Those are participated in these games. So I think and I hope you are understand for these topics. And next, anybody any doubt, please come on the chat box and write your questions. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you very much.